Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! For today's video, we are going to make healthy oats with fresh berries. This is so easy to make and perfect for breakfast or snacks. All you have to do is to prepare all the ingredients, and in just few minutes of cooking, you will have a delicious and healthy food. Please see the description box for the list of ingredients. Those who comment on my last video, your shout out is at the end of this video. So let's get started! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will give this a try. To those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell for more updates. If you want me to shout out your channels, please leave a comment below and I will do it in my next video. It's shoutout time! Big shoutout to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much for all the love and support. Big shoutout to all the April Birthday Celebrants. Happiest birthday! Big shoutout to my mom Celia, Manoy78 Vlogs, Idat Famband, Tonet Encenares. To my sister Ana San Miguel, happiest birthday! Christina Hardman, si Madam Teng, Wildcat Bagutsay, Glenn Nature Lover, Stress Free Life, JR Islats from USA, My Little Antics, Expat Overseas, Eliza Barra and Richie from USA, Gilly Lamley, Desmoana Vlog, Danica De Sousa and Family from Abu Dhabi, Awesome Jot TV, Planet 828 Crew TV, and Liz Viejera from Panama. Again, thank you. Please watch out for my next video. Bye! God bless! Stay home, stay safe.